So we're already primed here. We're using the Photo Focus Rose Eyeshadow Primer from Wet n Wild. Good coverage. If you hear a cat, that's a cat. We are using the Revolution Makeup for Revolution London, the Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette. Here's our inside with our names. So we're just gonna go ahead and dive into it using the Wet n Wild crease brush. And don't worry, it looks like it's dirty, but it's not. It's just it was used for the side, so use the same ones. We're gonna go into Cardinal, which is this shade right here. I'm just gonna go up and through. Now it goes on a little light, but that's okay. I guess we're just gonna build it up. Okay, so we're gonna go take the J Kiss set. It's the, where's the number? J4 brush, and we're going to go into shade Adventure. This one right here. My cat in the background there. I know I'm still so nasally. Alright, so we get this built up. Okay, so now we're gonna cut our crease. Which I'm gonna have to get another concealer, white concealer, so I'll be buying some more white concealers here soon. Probably different brands, maybe same brand. Don't know, depends on my mood. We're using the e.l.f. eyeliner flat brush to cut our crease. So I just, as we all know by now, for the ones who follow, we're just gonna go with the line of my eyeball. And by that I mean I just follow where my eye is. Okay. I lost it right in front of my face. Kind of matched my shirt there. Just a little bit. Now we're gonna take the NYX 43 brush. We're gonna go into shade Fiesta. It's more like a jelly formula, so we're gonna really dig into there. Since I found out on the other side, it's gonna have to be built up. It just looks so pretty on the lid. I'm just not a big fan of the formula. So We're just gonna build that up. I'm just gonna wipe that off the brush. Using the same brush, I'm just gonna flip it over and we're gonna go into Hot Tropic, which is right above it. And I found out also, it's the same formula. So we're just gonna stack that on our brush. And we're gonna blend it in here. I try not to hold my mouth open when I do this, but it just happens anyway, so. Weird faces, woo woo. Okay, so now, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go in with this Moda shader brush here, which you can get at Walmart. I'm gonna go back into Cardinal. I'm just gonna build up onto this here. It really makes my green eyes shine. Then we go back into that J4 brush here, go into the Adventure shade. We're just gonna go in the outer corner. We're just gonna swoop her. Now, if you'd like to see multiple looks, one palette, just let me know. Be something I do over the weekend. Or I can do one eye here, one eye here. Haven't done that for a while. Go to the orange one more time, that Cardinal shade. Now, I'm just gonna use use a Wet n Wild liner brush here. We're gonna go into the Super Brow Pomade, which you can use as liner and brows, face. It's a multi-use thing. It's called Scarlet. Kind of blends in though, so we're just gonna take her inside here. Maybe I might go to the outside first. Okay, so that is that. So now we're just gonna go off camera, clean it up, do the rest of the face, and then come back. Yeah, so hopping over to that. Oh, here's our finished look with using our Birds of Paradise palette. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. I will say though, before we go, that these two shades right here are a little hard to pick up on a brush, but I was using the NYX 43 brush, so it did a pretty okay job. I just had to build them up and go into a couple times, and that there is there is 2 glitter shades if you don't like pressed glitter shades in a palette. So that's that. And there will be swatch videos of this a while back. Now you might think, oh my gosh, we keep seeing the same makeup look. Well, because I have time today to film. So I'm a busy worker bee. find it a little hard to sit down sometimes and film, so filming multiples at once makes it good. But good news is this look will be spread out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.